Alright guys, unboxing of QKZ T1 upgrade cable. So yung color nito is color blue. Nice design, bagong pack. Newly sealed, brand new. Alright, so let's unbox this. Ayan siya guys. What 8-part SA weaving silver plated upgrade cable wire? What is that translation? It's kinda strange talaga yung mga translation sa English from Mandarin. Anyway, so yeah, let's open this. I bought the box version kasi mas maganda yung presentation unlike the without box.
Okay.
It's just the same price, but yeah, I much prefer this one. Para yeah, premium yung dating.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Sabi. Thank you, QKZ, the future of audio.
Wow.
And by the way guys, take note, and disclaimer na rin, KZ and QKZ are not the same company. In terms of reputation, mas popular si KZ, or also known as Knowledge Zenith. Anong ibig sabihin nito kay QKZ? Anong abbreviation ng ano nila, pangalan? But yeah, I'll search for it. Okay, maganda naman yung presentation niya. Pa-thank you pa. Medyo it's kinda far yung buksana niya. Yun o, nakikita niyo yan. It's kinda hard to yan o, diba? Hindi na pa naman makakagupit ko lang ng kuko. Anyway, yan, sa taas ko na lang siya binuksan. I remember tuloy yung packaging ng KZ, ganyan din, halos same. Oh, halos same. Then ito yung kanyang cable. Yan, pack ko siya. Alright, there we go. Yan siya. Like I said dun sa previous video, braided yung cable nito. Yan, makapal siya. Unlike dito sa KZ stock cable.
Nice.
Yan yung connector niya, 2-pin QDC 0.75mm. Ano pala, disclaimer rin guys, pag bibili kayo ng mga upgrade cables like this, make sure na alamin nyo muna yung connector type ng in-ear monitors nyo, or else sayang yung pera nyo. Remember tuloy yung dati kong ganito, meron akong dating ganito sa previous IEM, pero nasira na siya. Ito, yung ganito, ito yung laging nasisira yung 3.5mm jack. Pero itong sa connector sa IEM, hindi. Alright, maganda yung build quality niya.
Nice.
Sige, lagay ko muna dyan. Tabi ko muna itong box. It's like parang bumili lang din ako ng bagong in-ear monitors, but cable naman. Kasi kung in-ear monitors, dito meron, nandito na yan. Simple lang na packaging. Nothing too fancy. Nahirapan lang sa unboxing. Haha. So yeah, ito na siya. Focus. There we go. Ayan siya guys, pag natanggal na yung niya. Kalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Basta, pang-wrap. Natanggal. Ayan. Hindi makapokus yung camera na maayos. Pangit kasi yung lighting. Ayan. So ayan siya guys, color blue. By the way, it also has 3 colors. Brown, yung gold, and then this one, which is blue. So bali parang ang dating nito, unboxing and follow-up review din. Magkakaroon din ng follow-up review dito after this unboxing. So yeah guys, follow my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. So mag-iingat kayo, and yes, so that's it for the unboxing. So yes, ganyan lang siya.